with control pants. Those are coming up. This is already popular. We have a Belle by Kim Gravel brand new sweater. It's a shaker sweater. It's a half zip design. Already, I think about 400 of these have been ordered. And as I said, it's new today. Love the shaker knit. If you're not familiar with this knit, what I would say to you is what you will love about it when you get it home is the substance, the way that it feels. It's funny, Isaac used to chuckle. He said, the first time I heard you say beefy talking about fashion, I thought like, really? But it really does help you understand. There is that beefiness to it, still extremely soft, but that's what we love when we think about sweater dressing. So let me show you colors because you will want to shop for these early. We'll talk to Kim about it much later in the show. So we have white with a navy stripe. Very nautical, very classic. And the zipper pull is done in a gold tone. And it's a soft white as opposed to a stark optic white, which I think makes it just wearable year round. Then we have Sandbar. Sandbar is her version of a tan or khaki, and that's done with a white stripe. Then we have what I'm wearing. This she calls Preppy Pink. It's a fuchsia pink with a navy blue stripe. That's already been the most popular. I always just say it's the most popular right now simply because this is the only color that you'd seen, but all four of these colors are terrific. And then here's our final choice. This one she calls Simply Green. And you know that green and navy combination, it's very country club, it's very town and country, and so it looks nice here. So wanted you to see these so that you can shop for them early. $67.98. That's a sale price. It's brand new, and everything you're shopping for today has free shipping. Love the length on this too. Love the width of the border, and even that bib style with the half zip. So we'll tell you more and talk to Kim, A676-937 if you want to shop early. And then the jeans. Let me give you a quick look at these because these are already popular too. These are Belle by Kim Gravel, Prima Belle. Ankle slit